So we come for a walk today along the Derwent Valley, we call it dams, and I'm just noting you can't hear any birds on this side of the forest, and I'm wondering why. And those birds over here that you can hear screaming, all I can hear is lots of people, big dog, lots of people, bigger dog. So we'll see what happens. Lots of people, big dog. Look. So then there's going to be lots of people, bigger dog, but look, you can hear them again. There you go. Lots of people, bigger dog. We'll start hearing the birds now. Alright, thank you guys. Thank you for letting us know. We love you. See, like now they've got the warning out. They're singing again. Because in my spiritual beliefs, birds are gods. So when birds are warning you of big dog, bigger dog, you're getting warnings from the gods themselves. Like Horus is represented as a hawk and a falcon, sometimes an eagle. He is Thunderbird to the First Nations people, but he's Horus to ancient Egyptians. So yeah, now they're chirping again because they got their message through and they're happy.